Now you see that the printer stopped printing and it shows here an error light on the page. Alright, welcome to my channel. It's Tutor Correct here, and I will show you how to fix the problem in your printer like this. Our printer is okay and our setup is okay. Let's try to print this out. Alright, let's see what happens when we try to print this one. Now you see that the printer stopped printing and it shows here an error light on the page. Okay, so let's see what happened. We can see that there's no problem with the document, but when you try to execute the print command, it's like this. You will see this dialog box and you can see the page size right here, which is 11 by 8.5 inches. So the problem is that our paper is an A4 sized paper. The problem that we had, it's because we don't have the right page size on the paper setup that we have here in our print dialog box. So as you can see, we have here 11 by 8.5 inches. So what we can do is to change the paper size by clicking on Properties and Document Size. Click the drop down and select A4 and press OK. And now let's try to click Print and see what happens. Now you see that there is no more error because we have set the right page size before we execute the printing process. So that is how you fix the issues in printing a booklet style using Adobe Reader with your printer. Okay guys, so that is how you fix the issue in printing with booklet style on Adobe Reader with your printer. What you need to do is just to set the right page size of your paper before you print. So that is one piece of advice guys, and this is your tutor here, Tutor Co, always saying keep safe and have a great day.